Hi, I'm Steve Moncrief from Total Eden. I'm the project manager on the Sanctuary Cove golf course installation. I guess there's a couple of different reasons. With the bigger pipes being 12-metre lengths and the 125 being 100-metre rolls, we've got less joints within the system, whereas with the PE, got a better branching saddle to go onto the poly that gets welded. So we've got one of those on every fairway at about 24-metre interval, and just the way that that fitting joins to the pipe and allows us to then weld another ball valve straight onto the pipe just means that everything's sealed. The course water supply is treated effluent from the local Coomba Bar treatment plant. To have the non-potable water go through the lilac pipe makes sense, so that if down the track someone digs up a trench and comes across a purple pipe, they should know that it is non-potable, not for drinking, and it's got recycled water. The Vinidex is a well-renowned product, have been around for a long time, so we're safe and secure in knowing that if we have a problem, that we've got someone to fall back onto because of that relationship we've had over the years and moving forward as well.